If remarkable fluency is what you want, you need to reach beyond literal meanings of English words and phrases. That's why I'm here to help you gain that fluency. Welcome to 50-day series of learning common idioms and phrases with me. And today is day 2. And let's quickly jump to our idioms for the day. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling means to do something that starts an activity, or to start doing something in order to encourage other people to do the same thing. Or we can say, to start a conversation in a social setting. When you are in a social setting and when you start a conversation, then you can use this idiom, get the ball rolling. I decided to set the ball rolling and got up to the dance floor. I decided to set the ball rolling and got up to the dance floor. All ears. All ears means the other person has got your full attention in terms of listening to him, or the other person is very keen to hear you, or in other words I can say paying special attention in terms of listening to the speaker. Example: kids in my class were all ears when I was telling them about me. That's it for today. Hope this was a thought-provoking catch. I hope that you've learned new idioms, or maybe you have been reminded about something that you've already learned. So what are you waiting for? Start expressing yourself in English. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.